to buy taxi, don't so like that. You can see on your right side a lot of roosters. They are very noisy in the early morning. Can you hear me now? Yeah. That's one for fighting, but illegal. Illegal in Vietnam. They prepare for New Year. Gambling. You can bet a lot of money. Yes. More, they take you to the big city. More money there. You can see more cocoa. Just 2 minutes. We go to the lumber now. You can hear the sound. Excuse me, ladies and gentlemen, when we get on the climber roll, please watch out your step and watch out your head, please, because the climber roll may be closed though, and sometimes make your head hurt, and you must be careful your head. And when you get up the climber roll, you also please check everything. Take your own belongings. We don't come back climber roll again. Yes, thank you. We have 5 members for one lumber roll, please.